Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Measure app. Grant camera and motion permission so the phone can map distance. Walk a short circle to let the system calibrate. This builds a spatial reference. Once done, point the back camera at the object edge, keep the phone steady, and tap the white plus to set the first anchor. Make sure the surface is visible and not cluttered. This reduces tracking errors and gives you a reliable first anchor point for accurate measures. Now you'll build the measurement by placing anchors. Tap plus to drop the start point, then slowly slide the phone along a parallel plane to the object and tap plus again for the end point. This maintains accuracy. If the object is tall or angled, switch to the level or use the on-screen ruler overlay. These use device gyros to correct tilt. Make sure to zoom with 2 fingers for small details and avoid angling the finish by tapping the result to copy the number or use Save Photo to capture the annotated image. This creates a record you can share. To change units, open Settings inside Measure and switch between cm, mm, or inches so your values match whatever you need. If readings jitter or anchors drift, make sure there's good light and distinct edges. Restart the app, move away from reflective surfaces, or reboot the phone to reset sensors. This usually fixes tracking instability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.